I posted about it on social media, said we'd bought a Chinese Dragon and we're going to turn it into a race car, take the podium. That was a dream I had. I woke up. But now I'm actually going to make it happen. We tracked down a guy in Shandong who's selling a Xichi sports car, so let's go check it out. Six+ hours later, we finally made it to Weifang, Shandong. First time in the north for me, pretty excited. Wonder if he's coming to pick us up in the Chinese Dragon. He said he's real warm and he's coming to get us, even though I'm exhausted right now. But I'm about to see this legendary car, China's first independently developed sports car to ever go abroad for an auto show. My heart is pounding, hands trembling. Come along with me. The thing is, we've also got to drive this car. Another 8 hours back to Suzhou. Fun times. I just hope it doesn't break down on the way. That would actually destroy me. I figured he'd show up in the Chinese Dragon. Clearly the Chinese Dragon can't fit all three of us. It's a two-door, right? A sports car has to be two-door. What are we even talking about? Can a four-door be called a sports car? Come on, is that it? The one with the hazards on? You sit in the back. Hey, good to meet you. Good to meet you. Oh wow, first time seeing it in person. This car, you know, you've only ever seen it in photos and articles online. Never thought I'd actually come by one. Can't believe I'm looking at it right now. Dreams do come true. Dreams do come true. Look, is it running? Is it on? Wow. Just looking at it you can tell this car is. Hang on, sign something first. Proof that I've officially bought this car. Heh. Holy crap. The front end is so short. The hood is seriously tiny. Wait, where are the bigger vents? Let me see. Right here, big nostrils. Let me get a closer look. Wait, is this a scalloped waistline? Oh wow, it actually is. Damn. I thought those were fake, turns out they're real. Wait, are they fake or real? Real? Actually real? They're real, it's open, see? It doesn't feed directly into the engine, but airflow does get in, so there's actual functional design here. Anyway, let me go negotiate the price with the owner. We'll let the camera guy show you the exterior of this thing. The guy selling me this car is definitely pulling my leg. You know why? He told me he bought it for his wife to drive. I do not believe for 1 second that his wife drives this thing. Right. I'm losing it again. You haven't had enough yet? Nope. There's sound. But the floor mat, my feet are too big. Doesn't fit. Ha 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 ha. Gotta say, with the hazards going, you've gotta admit, this thing actually feels like a sports car. The vibe in here is intense, really intense. Look at this. The horn, no lag at all. The horn response is insanely fast. Look, ha 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 ha. A little scary. Whoa, smells like gas in here. The clutch started burning a little, just slightly, right when I first pulled away. Nope, forget it. It's only 20 kilometers anyway. The airbag warning light and the catalytic converter light being on, you know what that tells me? This thing is going to be an amazing race car someday. Race cars don't have catalytic converters or airbags. That's the sign. This two-door car costs 13,000 yuan. Go to any dealership and find me something cheaper. Just talking two-door cars, is there anything out there cheaper than this? Tell me. Don't even bring up some Four Seasons deal. This car feels like it rolled straight out of a junkyard. Look at this. A steering wheel alone costs over 10,000 yuan. A sports car for young people. If you want a sports car as a young person, you've got to spend at least 10 grand. Nobody's handing you a sports car for a few thousand. Stop daydreaming. So you're out here questioning our noble Chinese sports car? Look, automatic climate control, 31 degrees. What does that mean? It means it has hot air. Not bad actually. Though I think the exhaust pipe might be cracked. And look, it's got some pull. Look, 4th gear right now. You still have to admit there's at least a little something there, maybe because it's light. 2 doors, a successful looking guy. And red, isn't that basically a Ferrari? It's a wreck. See that? So easy to climb. Am I not turning every head on this street right now? Everyone's looking at me. I'm basically the hottest car on the block. Driving a red sports car out on a date at night, I'm unstoppable. I'm going to pick up the girl I like in this thing and make her look good. My brand new ride. Hey handsome, ditch the taxi. Just based on first impressions, this car must be pretty old. Do you think this counts as a sports car? It's fine. Go ahead, say you're wearing a mask anyway. Something like that, right? Have you ever seen this car around here before? Never. I fill up here all the time and I've never seen this car. See? And what does that tell you? Take a guess, how much do you think this costs? This red 2-door Ferrari look-alike, it's red. It's 2 doors, it's a sports car, right? And just like that, our car has officially gone up in value. Ha 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 ha. 2 hours later. We've been driving for nearly 7 hours now, and we're almost back to Suzhou. Just when I thought the car was going to make it home without any drama, of course it didn't. Wufa is driving now, and the clutch is basically dead, so we're stuck in 3rd gear just grinding it out. And look at the wiper blade, it's about to fly off. You see that? But honestly, I'm relieved. At least it didn't strand us in Shandong. It held on until we were somewhere more familiar before deciding to fall apart. I think if we just push through we can still make it. There's traffic. Yeah, as long as there's no traffic, and I literally just said that, and now we're about to hit traffic. After a whole night in this thing, the Chinese Dragon, in daylight it looks rough, but at night it actually looks okay, it looks decent. In daylight this car is genuinely ugly. I mean extremely ugly. We'll just keep going like this and see if we can make it back.
20 minutes later.
Damn it, the car really died. Let me try to get it in gear again. Look at it. Look, this is what shifting feels like now. Ha 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 ha. I swear to God. Are you serious? I didn't wear my channel merch out here. How is this happening? Should have worn the merch and gone straight for the kill. For the first time in my life, I'm pushing a car like a little dumpling. Ha ha ha. I can't believe this. Push left, push left. We still have to. 55 kilometers to go. And the car just died. The clutch pump line snapped while we were on the highway. So now we can't shift at all. So we asked our mechanic friend for help. Give it to me, give it. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. See that? Turn it a little, you're pushing it too far over. Grab it, then lift the tent up. Good, get it up there. 5th gear, 5th. Okay, I'll find a spot. 1, 2, 3 in. Oh my god, amazing, yes. Holy crap, that was insane. No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go, go, go. Get it lower, 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 lower. Come on, come on, in. Oh, careful, careful. Oh, it's not going in. Turn it more, lower, a bit lower. I'm dying. That's rough. Okay, stop, pull over. And then it died again. Stick it in second. Second gear. Ignition, give it gas. I'll block it for you. I'll hold it. I popped it out. Move, 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 move. Let's go. Whoa. That was incredible. But now there's another warning light, what the heck? That's the airbag one, no wait, it's the fan. Another light just came on. Go, 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 go. Lower, 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 lower. Don't come in here. It's in the red. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Okay, let me show you exactly how to start this thing right now. First, get it into second gear. Then turn the ignition. It's in second now, right? Good. Wait for the car in front to move, go, go, go. Give it gas, give it gas. See? It's rolling. There you go. And then we. Don't come over here. Beep, beep, beep. The toll booth lady treated us like idiots and let us through. Go, 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 go. Yes. Look at that, I force started it. I'm incredible. I'm actually incredible. Don't ask me why I'm getting out like this, the door only opens from the outside. Anyway, after 8 hours on the road, we finally brought this legendary machine back to base. What happens next to this car? Stay tuned to our channel. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button. I'm going to eat. Bye, see you next time. From complete novice to proper car guy, look at that. This thing fulfilled my dream of owning my first sports car.